Before we start the video, I just want to let you guys know my shopping videos are for entertainment and educational purposes. I am here to show you how to coupon better and educate you on deals. Please do not take my video as guidance to leave your home. If you're under a shelter-in-place order and you feel like shopping may endanger you or someone else, stay at home. We're all adults and I trust that we can all shop responsibly. Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General. Please don't judge me for coming out of the house, y'all. I have been inside all week, and as y'all know, I keep it safe. We have our Lysol, I have gloves, I have masks, everything that I need to stay safe in this store. So we're going to be in and out, and I just want to pick up a few household products and a couple snacks today. So we're going to get started with a cleaning product deal first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some scrubbing bubbles products. So the scrubbing bubbles are save $5 instantly when you spend $15. So I'm going to pick up $15 worth of scrubbing bubbles products, and we are going to use some paper coupons on those as the first items in our deal. My store also has some Dawn Power Wash in stock, so I'm going to grab one of the refills because these are $3.95. Our $2.50 off digital coupon works on these, so these will come out to only $1.45. Oh Lord, they have a brand new scent of Gain. They have a lemon scent Gain, or maybe it's been so long since I've been in the store, I just haven't seen this before. Have y'all seen this? I think we have a digital coupon for this too, but I'm not going to get it right now, but it probably will work with our Gain digital coupon, so this could be something new to add in. I also noticed that they had the lemon scented Mr. Clean Freak. The lemon is not a new scent for Mr. Clean Freak, but I'm not used to seeing it at DG. So I decided to walk the store just a little bit just to see how the shelves were looking. Y'all, it's just so different walking the store now and seeing these limits on like everything. They were stocked on the off-brand baby wipes, but when it came to the paper products, I am just not used to seeing shelves like this. And it looks like they had a limit of 3 paper products per person when there was some stock, and I think they get their truck on Tuesday. It's Thursday now, so I'm sure people came in and cleaned them out. But y'all, this is just such a different experience. What we're going through now, and these stores just looking abandoned and ran through. I did notice that they had this good deal on the Hefty trash bags. So these are included on the instant savings where you will save $3 when you spend $15. They're also 2 for $9. They also have $1 insert coupons that are still valid. So you could throw those into a deal with some paper products, or you could just buy those in a deal alone and it should come out pretty good. Tell me this, why is there always going to be some Dasani left in the store no matter what is going on? People do not want that Dasani. So the water was pretty stocked up. They had store brand water and that Dasani, so if you really needed some along with some bread, it was there. Last items I grabbed before heading out were some Keebler cookie products. So I used the 75% off on these $1 packs, making those a quarter. You could grab those or these 75% packs that will be absolutely free after coupon. Okay, you guys, so I am back at home and I didn't do my normal finish up in the store because I was trying to get out of that store expeditiously. So I know this video is a little bit different from my normal cadence, but with everything we got going on, I cannot be spending no extra time in the store. So let's go over how this deal worked out, because even though I had a little hiccup, everything actually worked out better than what I expected. So I got my 2 Keebler 4 4-packs. And shout out to Short Mama Couponer for putting me on to this. She grabs these Keebler products all the time and uses that 75-cent off coupon. So you can get these $1 packs or these 75-cent off packs that I showed you guys that are near the front of the store at the register. Those 75-cent off packs will be free, or these will only be $1. Then I got my Dawn Power Wash for $1.45. I love the Dawn Power Wash. So that $2.50 off digital came off perfectly with that, made that only $1.45. So now let's talk about this Scrubbing Bubbles and this Glade deal a little bit more. So the Scrubbing Bubbles and the Glade products are on a spend $15, save $5 instant savings deal. And all 5 of these products that I have are included. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So 5 products are supposed to be included in that deal, not the Dawn, of course. So I use 2 $1.50 off coupons on the Scrubbing Bubbles products, and I did not use a coupon on the Glade. So the way it was going to work out in my head was this is $15 worth of product because each one of these cleaners are $3.50 each, and then the Glade is $1. So the $5 in instant savings will bring that down to $10 instantly. Then my $3 in manufacturer coupons will come off, making it just $7 for all 5 products. Well, I had a little bit of a hiccup because I had her scan my manufacturer coupons after she scanned the products. So she scanned 2 Scrubbing Bubbles and then scanned the coupon, 2 Scrubbing Bubbles and then scanned the coupon for me. And I did that to make sure that those coupons didn't beep, but I did not think about the fact that it may mess up my instant savings because she was applying those coupons before she could press total for the instant savings. So let me show you my receipt to show you how everything ended up working out. So because she scanned the products and then scanned the coupons, my instant savings did not come off at the register. So she did some price modifications in order to take off the $5. And I think she actually gave me a little bit of extra money off because my total should have been $8.95 for all of these products. And it actually came out a little bit cheaper than that. So there's the Scrubbing Bubbles products there. There is the Glade with all of the price modifications that she did. Plus you see my $1.50 off manufacturer coupons there and there. No coupon was used on the Glade. There is my Dawn Power Wash at $3.95, the $2.50 off coupon, and there are my Keebler cookies, $1 with the 75-cent off coupon. So my subtotal actually came out to $7.95 because of those price overrides. It actually should have been $8.95, and it shows a total of $7 in savings, but this is actually $12 in savings when you consider that she manually applied those instant savings as price modifications. So I ended up paying $7.95 for all 8 items. So that made each item a little less than $1, which is awesome when it comes to these cleaning products. So if everything had have worked out like it was supposed to, this is exactly, I think, $20.95 in product. We would have saved $15 in instant savings, bringing that down to $15.95. Then I had $1.50 in Keebler coupons, $2.50 for the Dawn, and then I would have saved an additional $3 in coupons for the Scrubbing Bubbles, bringing everything to $8.95. But we got a little extra blessing, and that made everything only $7.95. So not a bad deal at all. So that is all, you guys. I am about to go back on my quarantine and chill, but it was nice to be able to leave the house today and go and see my people at the Dollar General. If you can, when you are at the Dollar General, remember to thank the employees for continuing to come to work for us. These cashiers are out here putting everything on the line so that we can still go out and get essential items. So thank them for coming coming in and doing the work that they do. I actually gave my cashier a cash tip today so that she could buy her dinner tonight. And she was so grateful. And she was like, that's the first time that somebody has actually said thank you. Remember to thank these people for putting everything out here so that we can continue to get the things that we need. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.